Go across to the next question now. This is from one of our viewers, Mohammad Annan, and he wants to know on two stocks, Tata Steel and Suzlon. He wants to know when can Suzlon start to go up again, and when can Tata Steel also go back to 180 odd levels. Okay, we'll try and address this technically. Suzlon, of course, there has been a one-way rally first where the stock went up past 81 in a very swift time period as well. Then there came this long time frame correction at 64. Do you see any signs of an upward rally on Suzlon coming back? And the other one for sure is Tata Steel.
Right. So, if we calculate from 2020, the stock has moved from almost 3 rupees to 80 rupees. So, that's almost 25x in a very short time. Now, stock is taking some time to, digest this big move. So, I see some scope for time correction and price correction. In the near term, a few days back also it tested its 200-day moving average. So, sellers are a little aggressive in this counter, and
Yeah.
I stock could trade little lower for some time. I don't see immediate rally and scope to trade at higher levels. And if you talk about Tata Steel, then it is very much influenced by the China policy, which is also subdued in some time. And because of weakness in Chinese market, steel counters are trading little negatively, and I expect it could trade little lower also, because even copper is inching lower since last few days. So hence you'll get lower prices. Wait for some time.
Okay, got that. Well, quickly let's look at the markets. 24,300 is back with us. It's a 100 point of an uptick on the Nifty.